Imagine a world where your CRM and AI work in perfect harmony. We're about to see how to connect HighLevel with Retell AI, boosting your sales game. The first step is to ensure you have a HighLevel account. If you're already using it, you're well on your way. Next, you'll need a Retell AI account. Log into the dashboard, where you'll find the tools you need for AI-powered sales. Within Retell AI, locate the integration settings. You'll find an option to connect with HighLevel. Click on this and get ready to link the two platforms. This integration usually requires entering your HighLevel API key. Find this key inside your HighLevel account settings. Think of it as a secret code to allow both platforms to communicate securely. After providing your API key, you'll be prompted to configure the integration. Decide what data you want to sync, leads, contacts, appointments, and more. Now you can put your feet up. Retell AI will now automate scheduling and lead qualification tasks. You are ready to see the power of AI combined with CRM and unlock your revenue pipeline.